know I'm trying to slam him. You know I'm trying to slam him out. You know I'm trying to take his pole. You know I'm trying to slam him out. You know I'm trying to take his pole. I remember last year I broke down niggas sharing clothes. Nigga mad about a hoe. I don't know, she gave me yup. You know I'm trying to slime him out. You know I'm trying to take his pole. I remember last year I broke down niggas sharing clothes. Nigga mad about a hoe. I don't know, she gave me dope. Me and Zoe back to back, somewhat like the Men in Black. Nigga dissing on the clan, but he ain't never made a pack. My bitch bad, she nonchalant. Maybe she might be the one. Out the window with it 30, bitch. I'm trying to have some fun. I'm trying to have some fun. Nigga never slid on me. If he did, he felt that heat. I put that shit right there on T. Back to back at every week. No school, straight heat. Loaded off that walk, no time to argue. 5-6 to your face. But he dissing on the ground, better chill before he meet his fate. I know I got a pending case, but that can't get up in my way. You know I'm trying to slime him out. You know I'm trying to take his pole. I remember last year I broke down niggas sharing clothes. Nigga mad about a hoe. I don't know, she gave me throat. Me and Zoe back to back, somewhat like the Men in Black. 392 my getaway. All I know is hop up out this low aim and blow my Drake. Nigga snitching in disguise, talking about pop out. Nigga, why the fuck you telling lies? When y'all pushed up on my block, it's only me, I up the fire. No boom, 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 boom. They flee the scene so fucking quick. I'm just trying to maintain. Crackers let me out the cage. Johnny Bravo got the mojo, dumped the Glock, but this ain't auto. You know I'm trying to slime him out. You know I'm trying to take his pole. I remember last year I broke down niggas sharing clothes. Nigga mad about a hoe. I don't know, she gave me dope. Me and Zoe back to back, someone like the Men in Black. Nigga dissing on the clan, but he ain't never made a pack. My bitch bad, she nonchalant. Maybe she might be the one. Out the window with it 30, bitch. I'm trying to have some fun. I'm trying to have some fun. Nigga never slid on me. If he did, he felt that heat. I put that shit right there on T. Back to back here every week. No school, straight heat. Loaded off that walk, no time to argue. 5-6 to your face. But he dissing on the ground, better chill before we meet his fate. I know I got a pending case, but that can't get up in my way. I done took a different route, clutching on the 308. I just got a Glock and stolen, got that bitch up on the chase. Police on my ass, they talking about we up in murder rate. Stolen Glock up on my hip, I say this bitch came from my range. Built-in switch, squeeze this bitch one time, it click. What they talking about? Bitches, nigga, fuck your clique. Bitches care so, and you know, and I'ma never switch.
Fuck 6'5".